Hello, people. This is another time of me recording a beautiful game called Slime Rancher. There was an update for Slime Rancher that came out the other day, and I was playing it on my Switch, and I was like, whoa! I haven't seen much of it. I saw two things, and I stopped playing because I was like, I need to make a YouTube video of this. So, I waited until Christmas until I got some money. And now, instead of having to have the Game Pass, I bought Slime Rancher. I just bought it. It's now officially on my console, and I won't have to have the Game Pass to play it anymore. But we're back exactly where we left off. Bro. Xbox notifications, always there. Always make an appearance somewhere. Do I have this place yet? No. I have none of the place. I think I have the lab. I don't remember. This save file I've not played. I've not looked at my YouTube videos in a decent bit. I posted a little bit ago. I don't remember. Yeah, I have up here. Okay. So, goal for today is to see all of the new stuff and maybe get enough money to get that ranch expansion or that ranch expansion. I haven't really decided on which one I'm getting next, but you know. Well, today was a crazy day. It's Christmas. Like I said, I got my my money, and I got myself the Xbox Elite controller, which works pretty well. I love it. I love the paddle buttons. I have the left paddle button as the as LT and the right one as RT. It works pretty well. Actually, I need to remember. I don't know if I have the Glass Desert yet, but I heard that's where you get the stuff from. The new stuff. So I will do my best, because I have not watched this. I have not played this save file for a long time. I have not been on my Xbox. I've been playing other games, like free ones, because, you know, I'm like the poorest man on earth. And as normal, I've just gotta think, and I keep flashbacking, and it's like, well, I don't know if that's focusing on another save file or this one, so I'm gonna keep looking around. Actually thinking on making a couple different videos in the future of Fortnite, Save the World, as I've said before, because that game mode is fun. What the hell? Sorry for my language, but like, what is this? It's like a, what is that? Oh, it makes music. Oh, that's so cool. Where does this portal go? Oh, it goes right. Bro, that is... Okay. But like I said, I heard there was some of that apparently in the Glass Desert, so we're gonna go there. And I would have been making more Slime Rancher videos in the giant time that I didn't upload any Slime Rancher videos. But, you know, like I said, kind of lost my Game Pass subscription and didn't really have Slime Rancher bought yet, so I just had to wait until I finally got it. But yeah, a lot of things have changed. I never really showed my face on the internet, but I did dye my hair, or I bleached my hair, rather. That's the true term for it. We did get to the glass desert. Okay, I did bleach my hair. So, yeah, my hair looks completely different. It feels completely different. Um, Halloween happened and everything. Yeah. I'm planning on making 3 other videos tonight so I can upload them and my 2 viewers will get their fill on content for about a month, and then there's not going to be much of a problem with me uploading, because I know I'm not the best. I don't have the best upload schedule, but I do upload a little bit. Yeah, it was right here. I heard it was like right here. So maybe, just maybe, it spawns in one of the places that you go to, but not the others. So maybe that's just what happened. I need to go collect those music things though. They're pretty cool. And knowing me, you guys haven't seen me play this game yet, but it's one of my favorite games. It's called Undertale. I'm gonna make an Undertale song in Slime Rancher. I'm gonna figure out which of those things is which note, and if I can make an Undertale song in Slime Rancher, I will make it, because that would be completely stupid. Or I could make like what else could I make? There's a what else could I make? I could probably make a Zelda song. That would be cool. What else could I make? Oh, did I get Treasure Cracker yet? Nope. Okay. Like I said, I don't really remember what I have and I don't have. But what I do know is that I found the thing that I've been looking for. Is that... Did they have a purple... Oh, never mind. Oh, I came that way. I need to remember the way I came, because I get lost in the ruins, even though it's probably my favorite place in the game. I'm just a little... What do you say? Not the brightest. Not the smartest. Ain't no way I'm making that. Ain't no way. There's a thing there. Okay. Do I have the map for here? I do. Oh, I can do this. This is going to be really bad. This is going to look really bad once this video goes on the internet, but this is going to look horrible if I can't do this right. Okay. I need to, like... There's a tar slime. Can I get up here? No, I can't. Okay, go over here, go over here. Okay, I think I'm good. I can figure out a way up from here. Okay. What the? That is a gold plort, and that is very valuable. Okay, I know where I am. Okay, I can still figure this out. There we go. I'm back here. Okay. I can pick up the fire ones and the green ones and the sun ones. Okay. Don't go through that yet. We're gonna... Going to gather as much as we can. And then all that we can't, I will come back for. Did I unlock the thing yet? No, I didn't. Do I have a silo? I don't think I have a silo. I might have a silo in the other ranch expansion. If I do, that would be very helpful. But I can buy a silo. And we'll put it right here. I don't have enough. Okay. And there we go. That is some of them. They might spawn at every location. What it's probably going to do is it's 330. Okay. I'll put this in the silo. Or just hold on to it. That might be a better idea. Okay. This is probably not the most effective way of picking these up, but I'm still going to do it this way anyway. There's more of those. Shut up. Rest for life. Xbox notification. Okay. Okay. I think... They're literally... Okay, I see the difference. But they look very similar. Okay. I'll try and figure out what the difference is between those two, but that is just... They look the same. Just like this one and the other one that I had. Maybe these are the same. They are not the same. That is goofy. Okay, hold up. What is the difference? Oh, it's a G and then G sharp. Okay, so they're probably like the sharp notes. Whichever one's brighter is probably the sharp note. That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. We must go and get more of the musics. Okay. Now we can go to the wonderful silo. And realize, oh, I'm stupid. We don't have space. So, sell this for underpriced. Take some of these, make some quick money. buy another silo thing. And then, I don't have enough for another one. Okay. Actually, you know what? A different spot today. So I think that is enough Slime Rancher for the day. Gives you guys enough like around 16 minutes of Slime Rancher Noob Scoop content to enjoy. I hope you all have a wonderful day. And as I'm recording this, may not be as you're watching this, but as I'm recording this, it is Christmas. So Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.